You're throwing out that shock?
Oh, that shock is no good.
Are you kidding? It's brand new.
No, it's like from 1978.
That's okay. I'm from 1977.
No, get in there. Get in there.
Remember Alf? He's back in pod form.
All right, we're back at it at the shop again. Today, it's a lovely Sunday morning, and I just headed down to start a few projects. First off, something that I want to show everyone that I'm super excited about is we've got the frame back. That's right. Sent it out. Ron did some sandblasting on it, painted it up too. So right now it's just on our rollers on the floor here so we can move things around. But we get it up on jack stand soon to start getting stuff back together, because today we're going to start working on the front end and the rear end. The whole idea behind that is that we're going to take these guys apart, and then we're going to refresh the bearings and the seals, have a look inside, make sure everything's good with the internals. I've got my box of stuff somewhere. Oh, there they are there. Got my parts here all ready to go, so we'll be all set soon. Ron is just showing up outside, and yeah, we're gonna get things on the table and get moving. I'm gonna bring it up, give it a spin, put it on the workbench properly, and start tearing things apart. So looking at this, the one seal that I didn't get, it's looking like it's probably leaking out the back here where the yoke attaches. It might be leaking out the front. So what we'll do today is pull everything apart, I guess, set this one aside. I'll order this seal, and then we'll have to put everything back together another day. And also, but it'll give us a chance too to check and see what these drums are like, because if the drums are crappy, we'll have to replace those too. Maybe they won't be, and then we just need to get them turned.
Yeah, 3/4 ton, you gotta pull the axles to get the drums off.
I did not know that, but we also haven't really worked a lot on 3/4 ton rear ends.
So now, take this lock out of here. Just gotta pry it out of the way there.
Yep.
Spin it out of it.
There's two of them?
Yeah. This one here might be a little bit more tight on than that, eh? That's the brakes holding?
Oh. I don't know. It looks as if it's pulling everything with it. All right, with some bashing and crashing, that came off. What did you think? You thought everything was just stuck on, right?
The handbrake, look at it. Look at that. It's brand new.
It's in great shape. So it's looking like all the internals are going to have to be replaced on that, which of course I'm not surprised at all.
Wheel seal was leaking on this one. Look at all the oil there.
That is crazy. So to go from something that's dry as a bone on the other side and won't come apart to something that's the greasiest of greasy on this side. Oh well, the parts will come apart pretty easy, I imagine. So what we've done is just pulled this apart to have a look at what stuff we're gonna need. It's looking as though, like I just said earlier, that the brake drums are gonna need to be replaced. So we're gonna pull this off the bench and we're gonna put the front end up and see what needs to be going on with that. All right, so now we've got the front end on the bench. It appears to me to be in, I guess, somewhat similar shape to what the back end was. I guess wasn't a surprise. This side, the rim was stuck right on. Had to give that a bit of a pounding. Didn't get that on video though, but there's gonna be a lot more bits and pieces to pull apart on this one than there was on the rear end, which is why we started with that one first. So we're gonna get to it and start ripping and tearing. So one of the issues we were having with the front end when it was sitting on the truck frame, well, the whole time it was just sitting on the frame before we pulled it off, was that the one wheel sat cockeyed. And now having pulled off the side that was cockeyed, as Ron just pointed out, there's really not much left of anything in there, right? Oh yeah, you can see there's bits and pieces of bearing down there and stuff like that.
Clean that grease out of there and get the socket, take this super duper backing plate on.
Yes, like you were saying, the indestructible backing plates that are like, what, 1/4 of an inch thick? Caught on the lip, it looks like.
Oh yeah, well, there's something happened to it. I don't know what.
Oh, there we go. Wow.
There's half your cage left.
Yep. Interesting.
Can I just make a pile?
Yep, might as well. So these guys won't come out, so we're just cutting the end off. So we've run into some problems. The other side came off super easy. This side not coming off quite as easy at all. Oh. I'm gonna get a screwdriver in there now and give her a... What happened was we were having problems taking the lock off for the hub, and it's kind of been chopping it up in pieces, and now the one piece that's left is catching on a lip and we can't get it out. So now it's just a matter of trying to slowly break it apart. Oh, there, Ron got it off while I was talking. Oh,
fell out.
There it goes. What was going on here then?
Right here, this shoulder here.
And it was catching on.
Okay,
yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, at least that's done.
Okay, now this thing's just gonna fall off.
Oh, and
See,
it did.
See, it still has
Great grease. Oh, look at that. That looks a lot better than the other side.
Yeah, the other side still have half the bearings on it.
Okay, so this guy's out. Basically what we've got is the shock's got to come off. Sorry, the steering arm and this tie rod end. Plus, get those guys off, and then we're pretty much good to go. Okay, folks, so we've got it all apart now. So it's just a matter of picking up a couple other pieces that were missing that wasn't in that box of stuff that I've got. I'm gonna go through that with Ron quick before he takes off for the day. And then I guess the next step up is we're gonna pop diff cover open, but we won't bother doing that today. I'll just get the seals.
Yeah, there's inner seals right here, eh? Did you order the inner
Well,
seals?
we'll take a look and see. I asked for seals.
Okay.
For the front end, but we'll see because it is a huge box of stuff. So let's have a look. And but that's it, folks. The next time you see us, we'll be cleaning it up and putting it back together. Thanks, Ron.
Yep.
All right.